ही गाणं भेटवताना आणि शुभ वर्तमान गोंधळोस हे दान यज्ञाची आणि माकडेची खुणा
बऱ्याच फेस्त आता जाल्यार ते रमेश साहेबीचे फेस्त रमेश साहेबी म्हळ्यार आमच्या ह्या कपेलाची आस्कारी आनी तिचे फेस्त आमी वर्साचे वर्सा हे भशेन सुमारुमता आनी ह्या फेस्ता सुमयार 3 किंग्स जे म्हणटात ते घोड्यांचेर बसून येतात आनी मिसांत वांटो घेतात ती एक आदली परंपरा जी अजूनय चालू आसा त्या फेस्ता सुमयार आमच्या लोकांक संदेश म्हणल्यार इतलोच की सायबीण माय आमकां बोरवशान जिवंक शिकयता तिच्याय जिवितान तिणें बोरवासो आपणायलो आनी जे भशेन निराशीपणाचेर आमच्यांनी कशे भशेन जैत उर येता ते आमकां तिचे कडल्यान शिकूंक मेळटा म्हणटच आमी आमच्या जिवितान प्रश्न आडखळी समस्या जेन्ना येता तेन्ना निराशी जायनासतना बोरवशान जिवंक आमी दरेकल्यान वावरूंक जाय आनी तातूंतल्यान देवाक महिमा दिवंक आमी शिकूंक जाय.
So happy feast to one and all. Since I became king in 2019. Every year since that I've always been coming with my father for this feast.
आज फेस्त आहा पळय ते आमचे गोंयकारांचे फेस्त. कासाल्याक आरोशी कुयेली सोडून आमचे सगळे गोंयकार जे आसा पळय भाव भयण ते सगळ्यांचे फेस्त. आज today the feast is very symbolic because 3 wise men who had come to visit Jesus Christ following the star. So the same thing has been depicted over here, where 3 kings have been selected from the families of the Gankars of Aroshi, Cansaulim and Cuelim. And we all walk up the hill and come to this church, Our Lady of Remedies, and we celebrate this feast. So for this feast, the people of Goa all around from different villages, they come and they participate. Not only Catholics, but even from different other communities like Hindus, people from Hindu brothers and sisters, especially from Cansaulim. You see, they all be visiting over here and being patronized.
It's a feast of Anthony, and we would like to wish everybody a happy feast. This is one of our traditions which is going on for more than 500 years. Today, the 3 wise men are selected. One is from Cuelim, Aroshi and Cansaulim. These kids represent the kings who came to visit Jesus. This is one of our oldest traditions. We, the Gankars of Cansaulim, Aroshi and Cuelim, we hold this feast and we celebrate it with entire Goa, and a lot of people come here with devotion.